In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Shopify's Dawn theme, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open your web browser and head straight to Shopify's website. On the homepage, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure that you enter it correctly to avoid any login hassles. After you've done that, click on the continue with email button to proceed. The next step is to enter your password. Ensure your password is entered accurately, as this is essential for accessing your Shopify dashboard. Once you've entered your password, click on the login button. Successfully logging in will direct you to the admin area of your store. Now, from the admin dashboard, look for the My Store link. This is usually a prominent option which can be easily found. Click on it and it will take you to your store's main page. Once you are on the main page, focus on the left-hand sidebar and find the Products section. Click on Products and this will lead you to a page where you can manage all your existing products. To add a new product, look for the Add Product button. It's generally at the top right. Click on it to open a fresh product page. Here, start by entering the title for your product. Make sure the title is descriptive and captures the essence of your product. Below the title, there's a description field where you can elaborate more about your product features and benefits. Take your time to write a compelling product description here. Next, it's time to make your product visually appealing. Find the Upload New option to add product images. High quality images can significantly enhance your product's allure. Once your images are uploaded, head over to the category section to assign the right category for your product. This helps in better organization and discoverability within your store. After categorizing, scroll down to set the product's price. Enter a fair price that reflects the value of your product. If applicable, tick the box for tax charges to ensure compliance with tax regulations. Further down, you'll see options to add cost per item, profit, and margin. Although these fields are optional, providing this information can help track financial metrics. Additionally, you may want to manage your inventory settings. To track this, tick the inventory box, which allows you to input the stock keeping units or SKUs. This can help keep your product inventory organized. Moving on, don't forget to specify the shipping weight of your product. This is crucial for calculating shipping costs. One last but vital step is optimizing your search engine listing preview. This information is used by search engines, so it's another chance to use relevant keywords for better visibility. Finally, ensure that all entries are correct, and then click the Save button. This will save all changes and add the new product to your Shopify store.